Hey, all Russ here, RVerTV. Welcome. Oh man, what a nice place to stay. This is definitely one to come back to. High on the list. What a peaceful night. Even with the, you're kind of packed in here with a lot of rigs, but you don't hear them. The ocean, or the water, that's not the ocean, the bay, really drowns it out. You could hear the boats going in and out a little bit last night. Some people must be doing night fishing. Yesterday with the winds, they had small craft advisories, and the birds and the seagulls and the salty air. Wow. Look at the orange glow. There's the smoke. Smoke rolled in and out a couple times last night. So anyway, we're heading down to the ocean. We're heading south. We're starting our trek home and gonna see what happens. But I know along 101, it's a few miles from here, there's a couple pullouts. I did it 4 years ago. We'll stop and get a look at the Pacific Ocean. Yay! But you can see, there's a lot of rigs, but once again, you don't hear them. And all the people are really friendly. They're all fishermen. They are hardcore fish. They go out and they want to fish. But definitely, I would come back up here. I'd spend a month here. For sure, for sure. Alright, well, let's hit the road. Too bad that Nia Bay was closed, but part of it, because you could have gone up another 15 miles, 14, 15 miles, and that would have been the extreme northwest point along the coast, Washington coast. Would have been kind of cool, but oh well. Really see the orange glow from the smoke. The sun is just now popping up. Of course I'm out here early. We got miles to do, but got to see the ocean. That was the goal. I had to see the ocean before it heads south. Smoke, no smoke, any of it, we got to go see it. Made it this far. What a journey, huh? Oh my goodness. Since the 1st of July, been on the road. Okay, here's Clallam, the town. Probably all sleeping yet. There's all kinds of RV parks and camping and everything around here, so it'd be well worth to research it. Like right back there at that Van Rippers, you could really face the ocean, but you're really packed in there. It looks like some of these parks, they're not so crowded, so you can spread out. But definitely a little local knowledge of this area would be pretty cool. Look at these old buildings. They've been here for a long, long time. A few mobile homes there on the left. Nice place. It's still kind of dark yet. I'll kick the cameras on, see anything good. We're heading to 101, Highway 101. Made it. Here's 101. You can see the sun's trying to pop up. We're gonna go a few miles. We'll cut. Actually, 101 will end up right on the coastline for a few miles. That's where the pullouts are, if I remember right. You can see the ocean right from the road. We got sunshine at the moment. Bridge. Them some old time bridges, huh? Alright, there should be a little town up here. I think it's called Forks. We're gonna drive through. Here you go, blue sky. Yay. Sun's trying to pop through. Off to the left though, you can see nothing but smoke. 101, it goes a long ways, goes all the way down to Oregon and California. Very long road. Should be getting close to the town of Forks. I kind of mapped myself out this morning a little bit. One thing back at that CQ, Washington, right there where I stayed, had really good Verizon signal. Anything else, forget it. They did have Wi-Fi there in their RV park. But that was a little bit limiting. Okay, here we are. Welcome to Forks. Kind of a cool name. Forks, Washington. Small town USA right here. Close to the ocean. I don't need any fuel. I'm pretty good. Well, we got a few businesses. On the left there, auto parts. Wow, another city bus. So they run buses all along the peninsula here. That is neat. So you can really get to one place or the other. Huh. For shopping and all that. Because what would it be? Port Angeles would be the big town around here. This looks like downtown Forks. Still pretty early. Nothing's open. Looks like the local drugstore, hardware store. These are one of these towns where everyone knows everyone else, I'm sure. Small town. Looks like motels coming up. Really a pretty decent sized town. Going through here a little ways. I think we're near the end of it. I'd say so. Alright, continue on 101. Back in the trees we go. I don't know if it's fog or smoke, because we're getting really close to the water. Real close. This kind of cuts over. If you look at this on maps, Google Maps, you'll see it. Once you go past Forks, this road cuts straight over and it'll run along the coastline. Keep my eye out for those pullouts. I know there was 2 or 3. There's also a campground, I believe, up along here somewhere. I see water right off the right. You can't see it with the dash cam. Gonna look at it, pull out, yay. Let's stop here. Take a quick look. There's the ocean. Made it. Welcome to the Pacific Ocean. There it is. I'll grab my other camera so we can zoom in a little bit. You can barely see those rocks out there. There's an island out that direction. Alright, let me grab the other camera. There you go. Listen to that roar. Isn't that powerful sounding? You can barely see the lighthouse out in that island out there. Looking rocks and formations there. I forgot my surfboard. Alright, well, let's go on down the road. We'll find a better place. Maybe we can take a look at it from the air. Let the sun come up a little bit higher too. There you go, Pacific Ocean. Busy, busy highway. Alright, well, let's see what else we can find down through here. About a traffic light. Road construction. Looks like a major bridge. improvement here. Replacement. Pretty big ravine. Boy, I bet that gush is full of water and heavy rains. They do get rain in this region. Big time. Made it. Alright, next pull out. We'll take it. Now we're talking. Look at this one. It's more open. See people. I think this is closer to those campgrounds or lodges that I seen on Google Maps. Look at all the driftwood too. They're walking their dogs on the beach with the roar of the ocean. How peaceful, huh? Now there's a life. Look, berry bushes in here. Well, what do you say we take a look at it from the air? Look at the smoke layer. I don't think that's fog. I think that's smoke right there. Alright. Take a look. Up we go. It's almost like a purple tint with the sun hitting it. There's down the beach. Far as you can see. There's 101. Now a good chunk of this is still the Olympic. Look at the smoke. Goodness. Good chunk of this is still the Olympic National Park. All the trees, just a sea of trees. Look at all the driftwood. This forever down through there. Well, alright, let's get landed. I got some miles I gotta do today. But we did it all this way, and we still got to see the Pacific Ocean. Who knew? This was not planned whatsoever this year to come this way. But we're here. Amazing. More people down there walking their puppy dogs. Here we go. I'm sure the farther south I get, the worse the smoke will get. I'm going to determine, the goal today is to get down near the Columbia River. Then I will determine which way I'll go. The original goal was to take the 101 all the way down, but I don't see that happening. So hey, check it out. Airstream. So there's a good chance, might fast track it home. We'll see. That'll be determined soon, later today. all kinds of RVs. There's a campground right here on the right. That's probably where all those people came from. The ocean is right there, just past that tree line. There's a big campground there. Remember seeing on the maps, there's a lodge up here somewhere too. People out jogging. There's a sign. There's a lodge. But it's a very popular place. What's this sign? Ranger Station. Bunch of dumpsters there. Quite a few buildings. Yeah, this is a pretty big recreation. There's a ranger station on the left. All right. Well, next video we're going to be down along the Columbia River, hopefully. We'll figure out what direction and how fast. Gonna be heading south. But looks like it's getting close, this trip being close to over with. Alright, this is the RVerTV Virtual Vacation 2020, and we're still going. Ain't over quite yet. Journey will continue. Talk soon.